spam, yeah. I hope you'll have a great day. In this video, I would like to share a little bit why I want to join ASEAN Future for Women. As an ASEAN youth who is learning international relations and development major at university, I'm really eager to be a youth who can empower our South Asian community as support in the future. While I'm trying to be a human resource for our community, these workshops will provide me a valuable opportunity that can deepen my understanding in regional cooperations, economic development, and especially the current challenge that ASEAN countries have been facing nowadays. And this event will allow me to learn from experts, exchange my ideas with others participate, improve my academic and professional skills. And I believe that this experience will be highly beneficial for my future study and career in international relations and development. The reason that I choose retention poverty as an issue which ASEAN need to handle and answer to is because I have already experienced and witnessed the effect of poverty. Last years ago, when I volunteered at the Kanawati Thai Media Organization as a reporter, I went to the refugee camp and IDP camp to get news sources. That time, I saw that refugee and IDP people how they have to struggle to meet their business every day. This is also what motivated me to join the workshop so that I can be a voice for them. If I get a chance to participate in this workshop, I plan to contribute my knowledge and skill as an ASEAN youth by actively joining discussions and sharing my perspective on the current challenge that ASEAN countries have been facing nowadays, and then collaborating with other participants. And finally, as a youth who is passionate on the community development, I aspire to bring constructive ideas and strong willingness to learn and positive attitude to the group activity. And that's all for my video. Thank you for your time.